Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get notes on Instagram on the Instagram application. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps and watch the video to the end so you can be able to have your notes on Instagram. So first step is to open your Instagram application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. After that, we will need just to go to the DMs side. So you will need just to swipe left so you can be able to go to the DMs. After that, we will find here the notes. And basically, this is your notes bar or notes menu where you can modify and have all creation for your notes. You add anything that you want, anything, and you can add a picture, you can add music or sound for your notes, and after that you will need just to share it. Of course, there are multiple things that you can try to modify on your notes, like share with followers who follow you back, or some close friends that you can add them in the close friend list. And basically, this is how you can share notes or get your own notes on Instagram on the Instagram application. So after you finishing having your notes, of course, as I said, you can have your own image, and basically you can have like a kind of a little story or short story. You can have a short note like this, and basically you can confirm or delete it, and basically you can have it here. So I'm going to just quit here, and basically then you can share your story by clicking on share. I mean sharing your notes, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.